guys. It's a residential area in Fort Saskatchewan. It's flooded, man. Oh, yeah. Wow. This residential area for Saskatchewan is flooded. It's Woodsman 70. Look at this. Oh, it's Woodsman close, guys. For Saskatchewan is flooded. July 27 of 2026, summer in Alberta, for Saskatchewan, Alberta. Look, it's pouring hard. This is like a residential yard by the apartment buildings in the Woodsman. It's flooded. Look, it's terrible, guys. Oh. That. How bad is that? Look. Wow, it's flooded. Look. Exactly there. Full of water. Wow. Look. So guys, stay safe, be careful. Okay? Finally I made it home. If you like my video, please hit the like button, consider subscribing, more videos here to come. Stay safe and see you in the next videos. Bye!